Alright people, today is July 4th and it's time for our weekly garden update. Alright, everything is looking very good. I fell behind this particular week. I was supposed to be getting some sweet potatoes, white potatoes, more blue lake green beans, chard and spinach in the ground on this side here. But unfortunately, we fell behind. But we got time. Anyway, look at those melons, watermelon plants. They are growing very well. Look at the spider. Wow, moving fast. All right, so watermelon's looking good. Cucumbers are looking outstanding. We're gonna have a lot of cucumbers. Zucchini is growing very fast. Same thing as squash. Squash is growing very fast. And most definitely, the corn is doing an outstanding job in growing. We had a decent rain just the other day. What was that? Thursday. And man, you know these plants love rainwater. Love rainwater. All right. So anyway, just another look from the interior or from the front view. All right, she's looking very good, y'all. She's looking very good. Again, today is July 4th, and we'll be planting on the right side of the garden in just a few days, maybe tomorrow. Anyway, we'll be getting back in just a few days on another update.